Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Exotic Traveler. I am here with another unboxing and some reviews video of my Burberry eyeglasses, which I bought from the Rivoli group. Actually, I don't have much eye power, but the dangerous thing is that I have cylindrical power, and eventually if I don't wear glasses for now, it will increase in future. So my doctor suggested me to wear glasses, and here are my pair of eyeglasses. So here we are going to talk about my Burberry eyeglasses. You can see the box. There is textured logo of the Burberry, and let's open the box. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So guys, here we have our pair of glasses in a beautiful case of leather, and here we have the Burberry brand name. So let's open this case up. So guys, here we have our new Burberry eyeglasses. Here we go. Let's open the sides of the glasses. Yeah, that's beautiful and very softly I can open it. Here you see the color black on the frame. Here, of course, we have Burberry brand logo on each sides of the glasses. This is the Burberry brand logo. These black, white, beige and maroon, their logo you can see here. Here we have some model numbers, you can see. Okay, and on the other side we have the Burberry name written and made in Italy. So these are my pair of glasses. Doctor suggested me to wear these. I have so much screen time, so that's why the doctor suggested me to use these, because I have cylindrical power, and eventually if I don't use it for now, it will increase. So guys, this is, you can do this and you put your eyeglasses all the time if you are not wearing in this case, and you can put in your handbag or on your table, so it will protect your eyeglasses every time you are not wearing. So guys, hope you like my video and my eyeglasses. In my next video I will tell you about the lens, why it's necessary for me to use blue filtered lens. If you like my video, leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel please. That would be a great help to grow my channel. Thank you so much. Follow me on Insta, Twitter and Facebook. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.